Education is the key to a brighter future, but sometimes the traditional classroom can feel like a dungeon. Learning should be an exciting adventure. Gamification is like adding superpowers to education. It's about bringing the excitement of games into the classroom. Think points, badges, and leaderboards. These elements tap into our natural desire for competition and achievement. Suddenly, studying becomes a game. Students are motivated to progress, earn rewards, and level up their knowledge. Gamification makes learning addictive in the best way possible. Experiential learning is all about rolling up your sleeves and diving into the action. It's about learning by doing, not just by reading or listening. Imagine building a robot to learn about engineering, or designing a website to understand coding. Experiential learning makes lessons memorable and impactful. It transforms students from passive listeners into active learners. The power of gamification is already transforming classrooms around the world. Take the case of Quest to Learn, a school in New York City. They use game-based learning to teach everything from math to history. The results are impressive. Students are more engaged, grades have improved, and they're developing crucial 21st century skills. Gamification is not just a theory, it's a proven success. Section 5. Simulated worlds, real skills. Preparing for the future. Simulations are like stepping into a virtual reality where you can practice real-world skills. Imagine training to be a surgeon in a virtual operating room, or learning to fly a plane in a flight simulator. Simulations offer a safe and controlled environment to make mistakes and learn from them. This kind of immersive learning is invaluable for preparing students for the challenges of tomorrow. Section 6. The power of play igniting engagement and motivation. Play is not just for kids, it's an essential part of how we learn and grow at any age. Games tap into our innate curiosity and desire for exploration. They make learning intrinsically motivating. When students are engaged and having fun, they're more likely to retain information and develop a love for learning. Gamification and experiential learning unleash the power of play in education. Section 7. Breaking down barriers, personalized learning journeys. Every student is unique, with their own strengths, interests, and learning styles. Gamification and experiential learning allow for personalized learning journeys. Students can progress at their own pace and focus on areas where they need more support. It's about tailoring the learning experience to meet the needs of each individual learner. Section 8. A collaborative quest, building communities of learners. Learning shouldn't be a solitary pursuit. Gamification and experiential learning foster collaboration and teamwork. Students can work together to solve problems, complete challenges, and celebrate each other's successes. This creates a sense of community and shared purpose within the classroom. Students learn from each other and develop valuable social and communication skills. Section 9. The future of learning. A world of possibilities unfolds. Imagine a future where classrooms are transformed into vibrant learning labs, where students are empowered to explore, experiment, and reach their full potential. This is the future that gamification and experiential learning can help us create. It's a future where learning is engaging, meaningful, and accessible to all. Let the adventure begin.